Hell's Bells. Let's take a listen. All right, already. Okay. That immediately is building some level of, anticipation. Let's go. Yeah, guitar's already in. Ooh. This is definitely going to be a hell of a ride. I can feel it. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Wow. Sounds so good, guys.
How much is our atmosphere equipment?
Whoa. Guys, wow. What an opening, guys. What an opening. I mean, those bells immediately, those bells and from the beginning immediately create an atmosphere. I mean, I love the fact that it's dark, it's ominous, it's almost cinematic. You instantly understand that this isn't just another rock album. Then we have Angus Young. I mean, he enters with that massive guitar riff, and everything feels huge. What's really stood out to me is the confidence. I mean, the band isn't easing listeners and such as myself into this new era. I mean, they are kicking the door down. Brian Johnson's vocal entrance, is also very incredible. I love the fact that, he's not trying to be Bon Scott. I mean, he's being Brian Johnson. And honestly, I feel like that's the smartest thing, he could have done. The vocal grids, feels dangerous. The song itself, feels like a funeral march, transformed into a battle cry. I mean, considering everything the band, had been through, this track, feels symbolic. I mean, I love the fact that he's dark. Love the fact that, I love the fact that he's dark, but powerful. I mean, grieving, but defiant. I mean, production-wise, the guitars sound enormous, without becoming muddy. Every instrument definitely had space. This is one of the greatest album openings, I have ever heard. Yes, I'd give this like a hard 10 out of 10. Yeah. Let me know what you think about this one down in the comment section, guys.